I feel like Darth Vader.
This vanity was the perfect vanity for us. I wanted tons of storage. That was a big thing for me. We definitely wanted some kind of stone countertop. So nice.
Wow. Oh, I'm so happy with that.
Oh, it's so pretty.
That's beautiful.
So it didn't take us long to figure out that once we opened this huge box, there was zero assembly required, so we're kind of at a standstill. We didn't know what to do. We're hiring movers, and they are coming at the end of the week. We have so much work to do to get that little area ready. Oh.
At least it's just 2 walls and a floor.
True, true. And the floor is like 99% done. But yeah, we have a lot of painting to do and a lot of prep to do, and clean up. It's gross up there. It's so dusty. Oh, all right. Well, let's get into the video. I'm going to say hello. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark.
And we're the Yohos. And we are vigorously renovating this bathroom upstairs, our ensuite, with all our might. We're coming to the end. Oh, that's cool. And if you guys haven't watched any of those videos, go check them out. I'll put some of them in the description box. There's a lot of them, so I'm feeling like you guys could just trail along and figure out which is next. Yeah, there's a lot of details that go into renovating a bathroom.
Don't get the lowdown on everything you're supposed to do until you start doing it.
Yeah. We have a pretty good checklist though, so we'll take that for future projects. All right, you guys, let's just get into the video. Oh, you guys, I just finished wiping all the walls down in the bathroom. Now I'm doing my 3rd coat of mud. Actually, it's not that bad. It's coming up pretty good. Yeah, drywall dust on me. I just took my mask off, so that is that. So wish me luck.
No, we finished drywalling and it's on to sanding. Here we go.
Okay, there's that. Because I'm extra. I feel like Darth Vader.
You don't have to yell.
Where's the other little stupid thing? Oh, there it is. I got it. There's no mirror. I'm using the camera.
I need a little step stool for my little corner there. Do you need this tape anymore?
What? Yes, I do.
Okay, I'll leave it in here.
Yeah, drop it. You guys have plastic over you. Oh yeah, that's technical right there. It's gonna get messy right now, so hope you can hear me. I think I'm yelling.
I don't know what she said, but what she said.
That corner might be wet still.
Yeah, I think it is.
Today is the day that we are painting this bathroom and I'm very excited. We actually primed it first with a tinted primer that we had gotten on sale and I really liked the color and it actually matched the wallpaper perfectly. So I went to the hardware store and got a gallon of paint for the ceiling and I also got a gallon for the walls. And now the walls, I actually just did 50% lighter than the swatch. So I just had the paint stir stick thing that I had stirred the gallon of primer for the walls. That was tinted. So I took the stir stick to the hardware store and they tinted it 50% lighter and I'm pretty excited. Should be a nice color. I'm just getting geared up to do a little bit of edging. We had to get a new shop vac because the other one broke. I think it was overheated with all the drywall dust. The special filters to go on top of the filter that came with the shop vac. So let's hope that this does the trick because that dust is not fooling around. How nice is that gonna be? Ooh, I already made a spill. I wanna go see the color on the wall. Can't really see much of a difference here, but this is the primer and that's the paint. Love it. Oh yeah, baby. Ooh, that's good.
What's going on?
Wow, that looks really good. I was having fun today with the paintbrush. Can you tell all around the switches and the lights?
It looks like you're having a little bit of fun.
Yeah, I was. I was like, wow, if that is not the most perfect circle in paint, I don't know what is. We are done. We just have to clean up. And I know again, you can probably hardly hear us, but the fans are all we have. But yeah, we have to pull up all this. We got a new shop vac. We'll have to vacuum all of that up and get ready for the movers tomorrow.
Well, here we are. Hurry up and wait. We rushed all week,
gosh.
and now we're waiting.
But I'm glad because now we have to actually, like, we had time to vacuum. We were too tired last night. I called it quits knowing that in the morning we could get up, get fresh, and have lots of coffee and vacuum. And if they came at 8 a.m., well then too bad because they have to wait now for us to vacuum because they didn't tell us the time. The movers just got here. I'm scared. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh.
I can't. Let's come on up.
I'm in actual shock. I am actually shooketh.
Like, I'm...
Shooketh. Wow. Wow. Look. Wow.
All right, you guys. We got the vanity in. Now we get to do all all the rest of the fun stuff.
And by fun stuff, you mean prepping the floor so we don't get any paint on it?
Welcome to our Dexter-inspired bathroom.
Okay, hold. Step there. Yeah.
This is like
Here, let me have that in.
building stick men, and you have to cut it a certain way. I could never get that. You're probably really good at that, huh?
I was eyeballing a geek. There we go. Now we can go underneath here. Yeah, so that is basically the end stuff. We still have to tile the shower.
Ceiling.
Oh,
Tile work.
that I'm very excited about. And then it's real just little finishing touches, kind of putting all the jewelry on, the wallpaper, the lighting. We have it all already. It's just a matter of installing it. Coming to the end of this, and this is actually where I really enjoy this part. I mean, I've enjoyed it up until now, but I really enjoy the, I don't know, I just like every step.
I want to demo again. But you know, guys, if you like this, there's lots more coming, so I really think you should probably subscribe if you aren't already.
Yeah. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching this entire renovation series. We've had a lot of fun and a lot of fun comments, and so we appreciate you guys watching, and I guess we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
See you guys.
This variety of cougar only found in urban suburbs and areas close to thrift stores.
Finish off some trim work. Finish off.